Guys, I made a new machine and character for the new electric update. Like they added the generator and adapter and like that. I'm gonna show you guys. And it's an electrifying trap here. This is how it works. You take a melon. Wait. And the melon will step on the trap. Boom. See? And that's how the trap works. So I have another also. It's electric chair. Here. Rate my electric chair from 1 to 10. This is how it works. So the melon will sit on the chair, the metallic chair, and this thing would supposed to hold it in place. Okay, right? There's a execution and revive option here. If you kill the melon, see, it's dead. You can revive it. See? You see that? Amazing, right? Now this is the part where it's gonna get executed. It's gonna like burn. See? It's gonna get some few burns. Sorry for that. My nose is clogged. So, do you guys like my new inventions? Like if you like it.